Hello everyone, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today we're on Minecraft Java Edition. We're also doing this on Bedrock as well. So, today we're making a custom panorama image. A panorama image is basically the spinning image in the background, this 360 degrees view. So I'm going to show you one that I created before. So, this is what it looks like. As you can see, there are a few lines somewhere, like right up here. There's a line right here. And so I just took this from my Minecraft world. I decided that I would put it in into my game here. So as you can see, it's spinning around just like the regular panorama. There's some lines in some areas. It just happens sometimes. So that's gonna spin around. While that's spinning around, let's turn it off and go back to the normal 1.20 panorama image. We're gonna you're gonna create your world that you want your panorama to be in. So just a moment here, I'm gonna create a build here. Alright. So I'm gonna see you when my build is done. Oh, and also make sure that you have cheats on to make whatever we're doing easier so that you have less lines in your image. So we'll be back when I'm done building. Alright, so I'm done building now. So I've just built my little house here. A little sign that says hi and another sign that says test. That S took me a while to make. And I made sure to make never mind. I did not make sure to do something. I just gotta fix that. So I'm making sure that none of those edges have the have this uh, have this log look on the top. Because I don't really want that. And then the village in the background over there. So this is the spot that I want to take my images. So the panorama is a 360 image. So here's this. And to get a full 360 around, you're gonna need 4 screenshots. So 360 divided by 4 is 90. Alright, so that's going to be your FOV. So you're going to go into options and FOV right here, and you're going to change FOV to 90. Just like that. Now you'll notice it's pretty zoomed out, as you may notice already. Even I'm a little zoomed out. But yeah, so this is the panorama length that you need. Whoa, when I turn this way, the S looks pretty wide. Alright, so then you're gonna save and quit the title. Let your world save. on, anytime now. Alright, so then you're gonna quit game. Then you're gonna go to your launcher. As you can see, I'm now in my Minecraft launcher. So then you're gonna go to your installation, which mine is just 1.20.1. You're gonna click on the three dots and edit. Then you're gonna go resolution. Now I gotta get the resolution. That will just take me a moment. I'll be back. Alright, so I've got the resolution. So you're gonna type 1024. You're also going to make sure that that fits your screen. That fits my screen on the bottom, just barely. But it works. So then you're gonna save, and then you're going to click on the play button. Now my Minecraft's gonna load up. You might notice those two new folders right here. That's part of the video. So then this kind of square image, this kind of square in Minecraft will pop up. Do not full screen the window because while you're doing this, because that will it to not work. So when you get into the game, that fits just barely right there. So when you get into the game, you're going to make sure that your FOV is 90. And you're going to go to single player, then to the world. And then you're going to wait for your world to load. And just watch my computer background while it's loading. It's done. Right, here we are in the world. As you can see, we're in the world now. With our idea of you're gonna have to wait it out and kind of wait for your world to load in entirely. Okay, everything's filled in. So now I've got to get the commands now. I'm gonna put them in a text document. So I'll be right back for the second. Alright, I've got the commands written down. They're right here. Commands.txt. I have them right here. So let's pull those right up. Alright, so copy this command. So you guys are gonna type this command in your game. Here, so paste /tp at p tilde 0 or 0 space 0. Then click enter, and then it's gonna take you to where you are, but no rotation, no anything. So now it's time you take your screenshots. So you're gonna click the F1 key to hide all of that. Then you're gonna click your F2 key, which takes a screenshot, as you can see. Save screenshot as 2023-07-05_12.10.56.png. So that's your screenshot. Then your next command. What am I doing? I already have the thing open. So then I'm going to take the next command. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it in Minecraft. So it's tp fp tilde 90, then 0. Then it will put you in the next position. Then click F1, then F2. Click F1 again to show this. As you can see, save screenshot. Then your next command is this. It's basically the same command, TP, epi, tilly, then 180, then 0, which will then do that. Like F1, then F2, to save screenshot. And then it's time to execute the fourth command around. Which is TP at P, tilde. Wait, what is that number again? Let me get that number. 270, 0. Then click enter, and then it's going to take you to the next side. To the last side. Click F1 and then F2 to save your screenshot. Then it's time for some other stuff. So you're going to take the TP at P tilde, then space 0 -90. So that's the top. And you're going to click F1, then F2 again. So save your screenshot. Then get the same command, but just remove the negative in 90. Then it will take you to facing down. Click F1, then F2 to take your screenshot. And there, you are done with your screenshots. You can now change your FOV back to normal, like this. There you go. I'm going to save and quit to title. And quit game. To revert your for no, I can't click on this. Alright, I am in my video editing software after an unsuccessful Minecraft launcher launch. As you can see, here is where it just cut off. Right at this moment, right when I closed Notepad, it just stopped. And I couldn't reset the resolution to normal. So I guess I'm just gonna be showing you how to do that then, because apparently it doesn't want to work. Or maybe I just say it. No, I want to show it. I'm showing it. This is a video, not a crash. I'm not here to crash Minecraft. I did that yesterday, but I don't want to do it today. Plus, I got bored after doing it, so. Alright, so you're gonna set your resolution to what you had before, or click on auto, which I have normally, then save. And now the next part. I can delete this now. Then I'm going to go to my new panorama Java file, which is basically just a new texture pack, or a resource pack, or whatever you call it. So then we're going to go to Assets, Minecraft, Textures, GUI, Title, Background. And then you'll have these images. You'll have Panorama 0, Panorama 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to select all of these. Then I'm going to delete those. Make sure you have the panorama overlay. Do not change this, because I learned my lesson the hard way when I was doing my texture pack. So you know when I sent you the download link on one of my videos, you might notice the panorama is just gray. It was something else, but I couldn't change it, so that's how it was. So then from here, you're gonna click Windows R, or if that shortcut doesn't work, click the start and then search for run, then open. And it will open this little window right here. You're going to type percentage app data percentage, then click enter. And then right here, it'll go to here. If it doesn't go to here, if it goes to these three files, click on roaming, then .minecraft. Then you're going to go to screenshots. Then here are all my Minecraft screenshots. So as you can see, all those F2 presses were right here. So here's all the panorama image stuff. So I'm gonna hold Control and I'm gonna select all of these. Oh, I'm gonna select all of the images here. Then I'm going to drag them all into here. Now you're gonna rename them to the panorama underscore 0, which is that one. Make sure you spell it right, because if you don't, then it will not work. I will probably replace it with the regular panorama underscore 1. Then panorama underscore 2. Then panorama underscore 3. Oh. So then panorama underscore 4. And then panorama underscore 5. So there you go. All your images are complete. Just make sure they're labeled correctly. The first one is 0, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So make sure you have all those. So 0 is where you started, then all the teleportations, this and this and that. We might have a line here. We might have a line. We might have a line because T and this on 3 kind of doesn't go out, and 2 is out. That might be an issue. So then you're gonna go right back to the file. Then you're gonna create a new text document. This is just going back to how to create a texture pack video. So we're just gonna, it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna save as pack.mc meta. Then change this to all files, then save, and X out of this, delete the text document. You have pack.mc meta. Get rid of this. I'm gonna open up my documents real quick so I can just copy something. I always have this file just in case it is required, which it is required now. So we're gonna open this with Notepad++. So then you're gonna paste that. I'm just gonna put my new panorama. Then Control S to save. And I'm gonna X out. So we have pack.mc meta. Now we don't really need an icon for it, but I'm gonna go into wrong file. I'm gonna go into Minecraft Bedrock texture packs. I'm going to go in the samples resource pack. So I'm gonna copy pack icon.png, copy this, and go back to here, and I'm gonna paste it, and then rename it to pack.png because Java and Bedrock are different. So it just does that. So then as you can see, here's the normal pack thing. Then you're gonna compress this to a zip file. Alright, so it's done. I'm gonna title this video.zip. Then we're gonna go into app data again using run. Then we're gonna go into Minecraft, then into resource packs. You're all my resource packs in here. So then I'm gonna take my new panorama video.zip and I'm going to drag it into resource packs. So here it is. X out and X out of that. Then we're gonna launch up Minecraft. Also, make sure your texture pack has the jar file for your version that you're doing this on. Because if it isn't, then it will not work. It will work, but if you're doing this in 1.20 and have the 1.19.4 texture pack enabled, then the title screen, well, the Minecraft in the title screen is not gonna be as how you expect. So now we have Minecraft open. Then we're going to go to options, resource packs. And as you can see, new panorama video.zip right here. Now it says incompatible, made for an older version of Minecraft. It's fine. It will work. It works though. And then once you have that loaded, here is your what just happened over there. Did I spell something wrong? I think I spelled something wrong. Let me check. I think I spelled something wrong. I'm gonna have to check my files here so I can find it. I think I might have spelled something wrong because something got replaced. Aha! I did! I spelled the last one wrong here. I spelled 3 wrong. That in because as you can see, if it doesn't have the correct name, then as you can see how it just starts doing this. As you can see, now it's the 1.20 panorama mixed in with my custom panorama. So as you You can see that is a problem. So it's just gonna just show that, which we do not want. So I'm gonna quickly just fix that quick. Turn the pack off. I'm gonna go into my pack folder. Then I'm going to remove video. And then it will not be there once you reload this. So as you can see, it is not there anymore. So done. Well, actually not quite done yet. So then I'm gonna go back into my files. I'm gonna go back to this and compress this back to a zip file. Alright, so as you can see, it's now here. And now we click done again. And there's our panorama complete now. So as you can see, the side that was cut off is now here. There is a line right here because it's kind of the clouds here and you can kind of see some areas there that's wrong. But as long as it works, then I am good. If it works, then I'm good. That that doesn't look very good. It just cut off and then did redid itself. That is exactly not what I want. But the better you are at doing it, then the better image you will get. This is only my second time doing this. So that's the thing. So I'm gonna let it scroll till it hits my house. It's about to get to it. There better not be a line in the middle of it because I don't want any lines. As you can see, we have now just reached my house. There's no lines through it. So if you can create I've got a goal for you. If you can create a panorama image with no lines, send me your resource pack in the comments below, and then I will check it and I will give your comment a like if you have successfully done it. Alright, so now we're going to move on to Bedrock Edition. So I'm going to quit the game real quick. So here we go. In this, we have new panorama Bedrock. We're going to go into this. I'm going to have that open. Oh, now I got an empty file, so that's here. So I'm going to find the UI now or something. I don't know what the difference between this panorama here or something. I can't tell. I don't know where he is. I don't know where he is. So that's not the issue. It can't be a UI because it's not there. So it has to be a UI. But none of these are those files. Look, these look like panorama files to you? Because they don't to me. They don't really look like that to me. No. We got this here. We got that there. Alright, editing software. Apparently it doesn't crash. Apparently what happens is it's maximum 30 minutes for a video. I have two files that's 30 minutes, so this is an hour. One I'm recording it right now. It's probably showing up when you're looking at it on YouTube right now, but right here, I was so dumb. They were right here. They were in UI this whole time. Look at that right there. We have all the files right here. Right here. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no way. Yeah, so yeah, they're right here. So I might as well just type this. Alright, let's take this. Open this. gonna copy all of these. I'm gonna paste them in here. Replace files in destination. So we just replaced the files. Default. That's the old pack.png. That's the old pack.png thing. But in color. That's interesting. So now I just, oh, there they are. Yep, there's all the panorama stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna go back, get all this in here, and I can press to a zip file. Alright, come on. Come on. Alright, 25 seconds. That was not 25 seconds, but anyway, we're done. So, alright. So, import started. Import starting again. This game's not working. Successfully imported. Resources. My packs. New panorama tutorial. Tutorial. It's tutorial. Tutorial. Okay. Well, we're gonna go back. Is that's not going the right way? Is it going the opposite way? No way that's going the other way. Alright, so here's the panorama. It's going backwards. That's not normal. But anyway, so here it is. It's right here. It's ready. So anyway, see you guys in another video. Also, the power's about to go out, so I'm gonna end this video quick. Bye, everyone.